Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate performance tuning with sysctl on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your virtual private server via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the command line. Log in with your server's IP address, username, and password. Once logged in, check your current system configuration by running the command. Type sysctl and press enter. This will display all kernel parameters and their values. To change system settings, you need to edit the sysctl configuration file. Use a text editor like Nano or Vim. Type sudo nano /etc/sysctl.conf and hit enter. This opens the sysctl configuration file for editing. Now, scroll to the bottom of the file to add your performance tuning settings. Some common parameters to optimize include vm.swappiness and vm.dirty_ratio. For example, set vm.swappiness equals 10 for reduced swap usage. Also, consider adjusting fs.filemax to allow more open files. After making your changes, save the file. If you're using Nano, press Ctrl+O, then enter, and Ctrl+X to exit. Now, apply the changes by running the command sudo sysctlp. This reloads the configuration and applies your new settings. You can confirm that your changes took effect by typing sysctl again. Look for the parameters you modified to ensure they show the new values. To make these settings persistent after reboots, they are already in /etc/sysctl.conf. No further actions are needed for persistence. Regularly monitor your system's performance and adjust settings as necessary. This ensures optimal performance according to your workload. You have now successfully activated performance tuning with sysctl on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.